Guys, you know the next question he asked me? He asked me, when last did you have sex in front of my mom? Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Oluchi, a Nigerian-based YouTuber and a makeup artist for the Lizzo Beauty brand. You that just joined us, I love you so much. You're welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell, share the link to your friends, and like this video. Thank you 200 subscribers. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Do what to put on the notification bell so you won't miss out whenever I post a new video. Today I'll be gisting you guys about my experience with a Nigerian medical doctor. Not just a medical doctor, a male medical doctor. And not just that he's male, he's a very young medical doctor. I'm not saying that Nigerian doctors are not good, don't get me wrong. No, I'm not saying that. I just want to share my experience with one of them. While gisting you guys, I'll be doing my makeup. I'll start off by drawing my brows. You guys already know I like using the classic brow pencil. Sorry guys, I'll be looking down sometimes because that's where my mirror is. Let me draw my brows first so this will get too long, then I'll come back gisting you guys. So I'm done with my brows now. I'll go straight to the eyeshadow. Before I start my eyeshadow, I'll prep my eye with this Zaron concealer in the shade Deep. Because I've seen it in my video. A few months ago, I was very sick. Like very sick. I had fever, cold, and I had serious chest pain. So I went home to get proper medical care. When I got home, we called our family doctor and he wasn't around. So there is this Federal Medical Center in my place. We also had doctors there. I'm setting my eye now with the powder, setting the concealer so that my eyeshadow won't crease. So guys, I'll be using this Diva shade here as my transition color. When we got to the hospital, our doctors were not there, so we just had to see any doctor. We were referred to a doctor. I went with my mom actually because I didn't want to go alone. I went with my mom. When we got to his office, it was just one seat there. My mom wanted to sit outside. He told my mom to sit on the couch there, the hospital couch in his office. I'll be doing my crease color now. I'm using this as my crease color. When I sat down, he asked me what was wrong with me. I told him I was having chest pain and I had fever, especially at night. Next question was, okay, when last did you see your period? Obviously, I have to answer it, my doctor. Guys, you know the next question he asked me? He asked me, when last did you have sex in front of my mom? I was shocked. Like, he's young, not like he's an old doctor or he's a pastor or something. But guys, this was in front of my mom and he was asking me this question. I got angry. I didn't respond. Like, I was looking at him like I was still shocked. Why are you asking me this question? As in, I was still trying to see the connection with this and chest pain. Then my mom wanted to answer. He was like, madam, don't answer for her. I'm asking her questions. He started talking. Before I continue, let me do my lid color. So guys, I was surprised when he asked me that question in front of my mom. Then he was not arguing with my mom, kind of. They were talking. He now asked me, but you have a boyfriend in school? I didn't answer still because I was still shocked. First of all, I was very sick, and then I was still shocked and surprised why he was asking me such questions in front of my mom. He doesn't respect his patient's privacy. Cause guys, I feel this question is not meant to be asked in presence of a third party. This kind of question can make a patient begin to lie, especially in front of his or her Nigerian parents. He asked if I had a boyfriend in school. I still didn't respond. My mom was responding. He now started shouting, "The madam, stop answering for her. I'll be using this Hega and Esther eyeshadow in Royal Mambo as my lead eyeshadow. It's in this form. He now started telling us stories of people he had cancelled in the past. He cancelled someone in 2012, 2015 the person got AIDS. He cancelled someone in 2015, 2017 the person got HIV/AIDS, and all of them keep coming back to cry to him. See, I'm not against what he told me. Like, what he said, everything he said was right. The questions he asked me was right. But guys, this was in front of my mom. And my mom is obviously a Nigerian parent. And if you're a Nigerian, you should know how Nigerian parents react to things. So guys, I'll be blending at the edges of my lid color brush. Same brush. I blend out this my outer view with this black. So guys, I wasn't against him saying all those things. I was just angry he was saying it in front of my mom, which was bad, at least for someone of my age. Guys, he was telling me that when you're in uni for 6 years, you date 5 people, you have sleep with 5 people, definitely you're going to get HIV. His classmate this, his classmate that. Most of his classmates that were even doctors have dropped out because they got HIV and stuff. As in, when I left the hospital, I was not angry, like, why didn't I talk? For Christ's sake, I'm also a medical student and I'm being taught psychology, and I know all these things, like some things are meant to be kept private between you and your patient. So I was angry I didn't even respond. But then I was still thinking, what should I have responded? My mom was there. What would I have said? I don't know what I would have said that won't sound very rude and just go straight to the point to pass a message to him. So guys, I had to go ahead and do this so that this video won't be excessively long. And I'll be priming my face with the Issa and Dose face primer. When I posted this story on my WhatsApp status, some guys kept laughing at me, like they were making jest of me. Sometimes when I do some things, I have a classmate that after reading the story on my WhatsApp status, when I do something like, Oluchi, if you do this, I'm going to report you to the doctor, so he'll report to your mommy. Every time I'm going to report to your doctor and you report to your mommy. So guys, I'm using this Zickel foundation in the shade Sexy Almond. So guys, when I made that story on my WhatsApp status, people were angry. I had many responses. People kept asking me why I didn't talk back at the doctor, but at that point I didn't know what to say. I was like short of words. I didn't know what to say to the doctor. People were like, I would have responded. Some people were like, it's good as I didn't respond. Like, it's good as I kept quiet. I was just looking at him. I didn't respond to anything. So guys, I'm highlighting my face with this Zaron concealer. If you've been with me on this channel, you know that this is my favorite concealer. I'd like to know from you guys, should I have responded badly or should I have just kept quiet like I did? If you've had this experience, I would like you to tell me in the comment section. So guys, I have a detailed highlights and contouring video. I'll link it in my description box. I also have a detailed brow tutorial. I'll leave it in my description box. So if you've had any experience like this with a medical doctor or a senior person in any field in front of your parents, do let me know in the comment section. So guys, I'll be setting my face with this translucent powder in the Zickel powder palette. If you've been following me on this channel, you know I don't make my face and I hardly use a setting powder to set my highlights. I like using my finishing powder to set my highlights. But today I want to use this translucent powder in the Zickel powder palette. So guys, I'm blending out my face immediately. I don't want to bake. You guys already know I like contouring my face with the dark shade of powder. Not the darkest one, but this dark shade. I just contour my face quickly. I won't be using blush today. I'll just go in straight to my highlighter. I want to highlight my cheekbones, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my jaw. I'm using this black Zaron eyeliner. I'm not winging out my eye, just line on top of my eye and under my eye. So guys, I'm done with my lashes. I'm almost done with this look. I'll just go over with my lipstick, then I'll be done. So guys, I'm going in with this Hush Beauty palette and I'll be using this shade right here. So guys, I'm done with my lips, I'm done with the makeup. I'll just go over and put on my wig. So I've come to the end of this look. I hope you all enjoyed it. So like I said, if you've had any experience with the doctor, please let me know in the comment section. If you've not had, let me know in the comment section. If you feel like I responded well by keeping quiet, let me know in the comment section. And if you feel like I should have talked, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell, like this video and share to your friends. I'll see you all in my next one.